Question 7. Vectors, two boats A and B are each moving with constant acceleration. At time t hours afternoon, boat A has velocity VA km/h, where VA is 2I plus 3J plus I minus 4J multiply T. Find the magnitude of the acceleration. V is equal to U plus AT. So the acceleration here is 1 and negative 4. 1I minus 4J. Part A, acceleration 1 and negative 4. He wants the magnitude. Magnitude is equal to root 1 squared plus bracket negative 4 squared. Root 17 or 4.12. Root 17 or 4.12 kilometer per hour squared. When t equal 2, the velocity of B is 4I plus J. And when t equal 5, the velocity of B is 1 minus 5J. Find the acceleration of B, giving your answer in terms of I and J. Part B, V is equal U plus AT as well. I will consider the velocity at time t equal 2 to be the initial velocity. U equal 4 and 1. And the velocity at t equal 5 to be the final velocity. So V is equal to 1 and the negative 5, but the time is 3. The time is the difference between the times, so it is 3, not 5. Okay? V equal U plus AT, very simple. 1 and the negative 5 equal 4 and 1 plus 3 multiply acceleration. Make A subject, move the 4 to the left, 1 minus 4, negative 3, divide 3, negative 1, and move the 1 to the left, negative 6, divide 3, negative 2. This is acceleration in terms of I and J. Acceleration is negative I minus 2J. Done with part B. Part C, find the velocity of B at time t equals 0. Find the real initial velocity, giving your answer in terms of I and J as well. So part C, also V equal U plus AT. We are using the same rule many times. V equal U plus AT. At this point, I can use either the velocity when t equal 2 or when t equal 5. Let's find out. I can use the velocity at time t equal 2. V is equal 4I plus J. 4 and 1. And the acceleration, I have just calculated the acceleration, negative 1 and negative 2. V equal U plus AT. 4 and 1 equal U plus acceleration, negative 1 and negative 2, multiply the time, which is 2. 4 and 1 equal U plus negative 2 and negative 4. U is equal to 4 plus 2, 6, 1 plus 4, 5. 6 and 5. This is the velocity at time t equals 0. 6I plus 5J. Let's find out, is it gonna be the same when using t equal 5? The velocity at t equal 5. At t equal 5. The final velocity 1 and negative 5. 1 and negative 5 equal U plus the acceleration, negative 1 and negative 2, multiply the time 5. U will also be equal 6 and 5. Very easy. Negative 1 multiply 5, negative 5. Move it to the left. 1 plus 5, 6. Negative 2 multiply 5, negative 10. Move it to the left. Negative 5 plus 10, also 6 and 5. Both ways are correct. Done with part C. At time t1, hours afternoon, both boats are moving with same speed. This is the most tricky question in the whole exam. Find the exact value of t1. He didn't say at time t1 both boats are moving with same velocity? He said same speed. Okay, we'll find out the difference soon. Velocity of A in terms of t is 2I plus t. Let's write it as a column vector. Velocity B in terms of t, we have to do it ourselves. U is 6 and 5 plus the acceleration -1 and -2 multiply the time. So VB is equal to 6 minus t and 5 minus 2t. If he mentioned in the question same velocity, find the time when both particles are moving with the same velocity, I will just equate them. 2 plus t and 3 minus 4t equal 6 minus t and 5 minus 2t, and make I equal and j equal. But the question is not that simple. He said find the time when they are moving with the same speed. Speed is the magnitude of the velocity. So I can say that, but I can say root bracket 2 plus t squared. The time is t1. He wants us to calculate t1 or keep it t, no problem. Plus 3 minus 4t squared. This is the speed of A equal speed of B root 6 minus t squared plus bracket 5 minus 2t squared. Cancel the roots, expand the brackets and find the value of t. 2 plus t squared is t squared plus 4t plus 4. 3 minus 4t squared is 16t squared minus 24t plus 9 equal 6 minus t squared minus 12t plus 36. 5 minus 2t squared, a lot of steps and expansion, plus 4t squared minus 20t plus 25. Simplify and find the value of t. T squared and 16t squared, 17t squared, 4t minus 24t minus 20t, 4 plus 9 plus 13 equal t squared and 4t squared, 5t squared, negative 12t and negative 20t minus 32t, positive 36 and positive 25 plus 61. Move the 5t squared to the left. 17t squared minus 5t squared is 12t squared, negative 20t plus 32 plus 12t, 13 minus 61, 13 minus 61, negative 48 equal 0. Mode 5, 3, 12, 12, negative 48, 12, 12, negative 48, time negative 2.56, t1 equal negative 2.56. Of course, this is rejected, and the other time is equal to 1.56. 1.56. A lot of steps, I know. Done with part D, and finally part E. At time t 2 hours afternoon, both boats are moving in the same direction. Cross multiplication, show that 3t squared plus pt plus q equals 0, where p and q are integers to be found. Part E. VA is equal to VB and cross multiplication. VA and VB. Cross multiplication, because there is a ratio. 2 plus t multiply 5 minus 2t equal 6 minus t multiply 3 minus 4t. 2 multiply 5, 10. 2 multiply negative 2t minus 4t, t multiply 5 plus 5t, t multiply negative 2t minus 2t squared equal 6 multiply 3, 18, 6 multiply negative 4t minus 24t, negative t multiply 3 minus 3t, negative t multiply negative 4t is positive 4t squared. Simplify, negative 2t squared plus t plus 10 equal 4t squared, negative 24 and negative 3 is negative 27t plus 18, move all to one side, negative 2t to the right, 6t squared, 6t squared, negative 27t minus t is negative 28t, 18 minus 10 is plus 8 equal 0. The coefficient of t squared is 3. Divide the whole equation by 2. 6 divide 2, 3 t squared, but now write it t2 as he mentioned above, 3t2 squared minus 28 over 2, 14 t2 plus 4 equal to 0. So P is equal to negative 14 and Q is equal 4. Done with the question. This is the longest question, and D is a little bit tricky, but the rest of the exam was easy. Next one.